Hello. So let's continue our last topic, which was understanding what all things we can use in our we can use along with our clause. Okay. So along with select statement, we have understand distinct can be used, asterisk also can be used, and second thing after distinct is expression. So expression is nothing but a statement which will give you some result. Okay. Suppose 2 plus 3. It is nothing but an expression. Why? Because this particular thing will give you a result as a 5. Right? This is the expression. So the statement which gives some result is an expression. Okay. So it is a combination of operators and operands. Operators. We in mathematics also we know operators, right? Plus is an operator, minus is an operator, multiplication, division, and not, right? And not, all these are nothing but operators. Okay. So expression is a combination of, in this example only, this is nothing but a combination of operands and operators. So in this particular example, 2 and 3 are operands and plus sign is your operator. So expression is nothing but a combination of operands and operators which will give you some result. Okay. Now we have two type of operands. Okay. So two type of operands. First, in SQL we have two types of operands. First, it can be columns also. It can be literals also. Okay. In literals we can have three types. First is number, second is character, third is data. Okay. While writing the query, we'll understand this line by line. But now I'm keeping it a short, keeping it short. Okay. So first coming to the columns. See this particular simple query here. Can you see this particular simple query here where select ename, comma, sal, asterisk or 12. So what this particular thing is telling me? So in my table, this column is giving you a monthly salary. So I want an annual salary here. So what I can do, your salary into 12, if I do, you'll get the annual salary, right? You'll get an annual salary. So this particular column which is creating here is nothing but an expression where your first operand is a column and your second operand is a literal specifically number. This is a literal specifically your number, right? So your operands has two types. Uh, it can be column as you can see here, and it can be literals. Now, in my next example, I want to know the salary along with your bonus. So in that case, what will I do? I'll do a select. I want to know the total salary along with the bonus. So I'll use a plus sign. I'll do a bonus, sal plus bonus from your EMP table. This is what I'll do. So in this case, in this particular case, what is happening? This is your expression where you have a combination of operators and operands. In this case, both your operands are column, right? These both your operands are columns. So this is how your expression works. Okay. Now coming to our third, which is third thing which we can use in our select statement is an alias. Okay. Now I'm taking this particular example only. Okay. I'm taking this particular example only. In this particular example. Now, how it will execute it? It will execute like you'll get an e name. Okay. And here your salary column will be shown as 12 sal into 12. So you get a output as Kinjal 50,000 to 12 like that. You'll get an output here, right? Okay. Now, when you want it, your output will be displayed like this. So your column name will be e name and second column name will be sal into 12. But I don't want this column name. I want it to be written as annual salary like this. I want the output like this instead of this. So at that time, what I'll do, I'll go for an alias. So basically, whenever you want to give a new name to a particular column or expression, Whenever you just keep in mind, whenever you want to give a new name to a column name or an expression, in this case to an expression, to salary 12, I'm giving a new name which is annual salary. So how I'll do it? So you have to write the select clause here. Similarly, select your column name and expression. Now you have to use a keyword as a new column name. So in this case, my expression is sal into 12. Okay, I want to change it as annual salary from table name, right? So we have four ways to write a alias. Okay, so keep this in mind. As is optional. Okay, as is optional. Even if you remove an as, it will work. If I write like this, annual select sal into 12 after the space annual cell from table name, it will work, right? As I have given example here. Similar same way also we can write, this way also we can write, and this way also we can write. So two things we get to know about alias is that, first, the definition, that whenever you want to change the name of the column or expression, and that will go with an alias. Okay. Second of all, as writing the as keyword is not mandatory; it's optional. Okay. So basically, I can give the same thing, the same syntax as a in square brackets, right? Whenever I give a keyword in a square bracket, it's not mandate to use that for executing this but that particular syntax, right? So, as is not mandatory, and the third thing you have to keep in mind is that whenever, suppose right now I have written my annual salary as annual underscore salary, right? Now I want my annual salary as in space, like this. So, at that time, you always have to mention a double quotes here, or else it will throw you an error. Okay, so make sure as keyword is not important. Third thing, whenever you want to add a space in your alias name, always mention that particular name in double quotes. Okay, so that's it for your what all things you can write in your select statement. So we have seen the distinct, column name we know, asterisk we know, alias we have seen now, and expression we have seen now. So today we have completed that what all things we can do or write along with the select statement and how it actually works. Okay, in the next video, we'll understand what is selection. Okay, thank you so much.